Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, the settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then tap on this edit icon or the settings icon in this upper panel. Then let's go to the languages and tap on add keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So you can scroll and find the new language or simply tap on search language and enter the name of it. So I will pick Urdu. Just mark the option which you'd like to apply and tap on done. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use keyboards with 2 or more languages added. So after getting back to the keyboard, we can spot a new icon, which is a globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout, as you can see, from English to Urdu with just tapping on this icon. What's more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So if you want to remove the language, let's go to the settings again, tap on the languages and tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.